Kexart.com delivers an impressively polished and satisfying online shopping experience that feels thoughtfully designed for customers who value creativity, quality, and reliability all in one place. From the first moment you visit the website, it's clear that a lot of care has gone into creating a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate platform, where everything feels intuitive and smoothly organized, allowing you to browse comfortably without confusion or clutter. The product selection on Kexart.com is particularly noteworthy, offering a diverse range of items that feel modern, stylish, and well-curated rather than generic, which makes shopping there feel exciting and inspiring instead of routine. Each product listing is supported by clear descriptions and appealing visuals that help you fully understand what you're purchasing, building confidence and eliminating any guesswork. The quality of the products themselves genuinely lives up to expectations, with materials, finishes, and overall craftsmanship reflecting attention to detail and a strong commitment to standards. Another standout aspect is the ordering process, which is seamless and secure, making checkout quick and stress-free, even for first-time shoppers. Shipping is handled with professionalism, with items arriving well-packaged, protected, and on time, reinforcing the brand's reliability and respect for customers. What truly elevates Kexart.com, though, is the overall sense of trust it creates. Pricing feels fair and transparent, offering excellent value for the quality provided, and there are no unpleasant surprises along the way. Customer service further strengthens this trust, as responses are timely, polite, and genuinely helpful, showing that the brand prioritizes customer satisfaction over quick transactions. The entire experience, from browsing to delivery, feels smooth, consistent, and thoughtfully executed, making customers feel appreciated rather than rushed. Kexart.com also leaves a strong impression as a brand that understands current trends while still maintaining its own unique identity, which adds to its appeal and memorability. Overall, Kexart.com stands out as a dependable and stylish online destination that consistently delivers on its promises, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for high-quality products, a smooth shopping journey, and a brand experience that feels professional, trustworthy, and rewarding from beginning to end.